Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the little Wagner Power Sprayer. And I just got through staining my fence, and I lacked about 15 foot, and I would have been done. And my little Wagner Power Sprayer, it quit working. It still rattled like it always did, but anyway, it stopped spraying paint. So let me show you what I found out. Well, here's the little sprayer, little Wagner Power Painter. And I've had it probably, I don't know, I would say 10, but it, push come to shove, probably more closer to 15 years. And I've used it off and on, and it's worked really well for me. It'll shoot latex or enamel type house paint, and I use it to shoot stain on my fence. But here's the model number. And here's a shot of the model number, 0525140. And, well, there's just a couple of moving parts on this thing. And normally, trying to clean it, I will take the spray nozzle off. And this little deal right here, I think it may be the pump or atomizer. I believe it's the atomizer is what it's called. But anyway, it sits there and vibrates up against this spray nozzle on the inside. And so I noticed that it's just didn't have the spring that it used to. And I had taken it apart, and I even stretched the spring. And it seemed like that helped a little bit, but really wasn't doing right. And then so I looked up and I found this kit, and it's made by Wagner. And if you take the new and the old, set them side by side, you can see that this new one is quite a bit longer. And I don't know what happened to the end of that. I don't know if just the vibrating pumping action eventually just wears that out. But anyway, I got a 2-pack, and so here's my new part, and this old part's probably, I'm just going to throw it in the trash. But anyway, the new part just slides right in, and then you screw your nozzle back on. And you're good to go. You can twist this either way if you want, which way you want it to fan that works best for you. And this is what the little 2-pack kit looked like. And on the back, there's the part number. It's 0525118. So you can get on the internet and find those. Maybe even a hardware store might have these on hand. Well, here's the fence after we stained it. And son and I came out here on one Saturday, and he helped me stain it. It was brutally hot, but as you see now, we've got a nice rain, and so I guess I got the fence stained just in time. Well, I recommend just taking the time to check the gun out and just see what parts might be wore. It only has a couple of moving parts. So it was really pretty easy to kind of diagnose. My biggest concern was getting the right little atomizer part, but doesn't seem like that was that much of an issue. I have another one just in case, and so it cost me $10 to get these 2 atomizers. It would have cost me $100 to get another gun. So it looks like a no-brainer. So I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.